Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the only way Quest is active and you're inside the Odyssey area. Equip your detector or scanner now. You need it live to register faint signals. Move to the hotspot cluster shown on the minimap because metal spawns concentrate there. Once done, switch to a slower walk to hear audio pings and watch for subtle sparkles. Make sure to clear low cover so small items become visible. Act fast, spawns rotate, so begin scanning immediately. You now execute a tight grid sweep across the hotspot. Move in 1-meter steps and pause to let the detector settle, because the device needs brief exposure to triangulate. When pings climb in pitch or frequency, pivot slowly to find the strongest vector. Visual glints will often appear at ground level. Once you have a direction, shorten your step size and crouch to expose hidden caches behind rocks or crates. Make sure to mark any confirmed finds on your map. You're on the final approach. Walk to the highest signal reading, interact to collect the metal, and immediately stow it in your inventory. If your detector shows nothing after a full sweep, leave the zone briefly and re-enter to trigger respawns. This often resets hidden nodes. If problems persist, have a teammate ping suspected spots or use replay/camera mode to inspect from different angles. Keep calm. Respawns and occlusion are the usual issues, so retry the scan sequence after a short reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.